Ever wondered if you can finally ditch those awkward transfers and use Apple Cash right here in Canada? Let's dive in. Alright, first things first, Apple Cash is Apple's built-in service that lets you send and receive money directly through the Messages app. It's super convenient if you can use it so. Fire up your iPhone and try to locate Apple Cash within your Wallet app. Look for it alongside your Apple Pay cards. If you don't see it, that's your first clue. Unfortunately, as of today, Apple Cash is not officially available in Canada. Bummer. I know this is primarily due to Canadian financial regulations and the need for Apple to establish partnerships with Canadian banks. It's not as simple as just flipping a switch. Now, don't lose all hope. Apple is constantly expanding its services globally. Keep an eye on tech news and official Apple announcements for any updates regarding a potential Canadian launch. They've been rumored to be exploring expansion, so the possibility is definitely there. In the meantime, if you're looking for alternatives, check out apps like Indirect Transfer, which is widely used in Canada, or other payment apps available on the App Store. There are plenty of options to explore. So, to recap, Apple Cash is currently a no-go in Canada, but with ongoing regulatory changes and Apple's ambition to grow its financial services, there's always a chance it could arrive in the future. Stay tuned and we'll keep you updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Apple tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what features you'd love to see Apple bring to Canada.